All right, the story of the Big Bilge. It starts with a terrible, terrible oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico caused by big oil and their greed, corruption, and just plain carelessness. And big oil. All right, now these guys, CEO and CFO of Big Oil, they don't care at all about the environment they've trashed. I mean, oil spills happen every day. What's the big deal? But they're really, really upset about their bottom line being trashed, and that is just unacceptable. CEO and CFO of Big Oil find out about Harold's bacteria, and things start getting really bad from there.